Welcome to Biz AIO. In this video, to access bills, go to the left-hand menu, click on ERP, then Purchase, and select Bills. To find specific bills, use the filters at the top. You can filter by vendor, status, or date range. To create a bill, click on Create Bill, then enter the bill number, select the vendor, choose the bill date and purchase order, add a note for the recipient, and upload any related files or documents. Once all the information is filled in, click Save or Save as Draft. You can click the Action button on the right to view more details or take action on the bill. And that's how you manage your bills in Biz AIO. Easily stay on top of your payables and vendor balances. To get started, go to the Settings menu from the left sidebar. Then select Payment Credentials. Check the PayPal status box to enable the gateway. Select the environment, Live or Sandbox, then enter your Sandbox PayPal client ID and secret. Copy the webhook URL and add it to your PayPal app's webhook settings. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. Here, you can choose other payment methods like Stripe, Paystack, Square, Payfast, offline payment, and more. To add an offline method, click Add Offline Method at the top of the screen, enter the details, and click Save to apply. From the Action button, you can edit or delete payment methods. That's it. Your payment credential settings are now configured and ready to use on your platform. To get started, click on Settings from the sidebar. Now scroll down and select Finance Settings from the list. Under the Finance Settings panel, the first tab is Invoice Settings. Here you can upload your company's invoice logo and authorize signatory. Specify how many days after the invoice date it's due, and set reminders accordingly. Enable or disable invoice details like tax number, status, and additional client information like email, phone number, and address. Once done, click Save to save the details. Next is the Invoice Template tab. Customize the layout and format of your invoice template here to match your branding. Once done, click Save to save the template. In the Prefix Settings tab, define unique prefixes for your invoices, estimates, or other financial documents. Set the prefix, separator hash, and digit count to see a sample on the right. Repeat for all, then click Save to apply. To add a unit, click the Unit tab at the top, then click Add Unit. Enter the unit type and click Save to save it. From Action button you can edit the unit. If you're using QuickBooks, go to QuickBooks Settings. It supports one-way sync. Invoices or payments created here will also be created in QuickBooks. Click Status, select the environment, enter your client ID and client secret, or copy the QuickBooks URL. Click Save to apply the changes. Under Tax Numbers, enter the tax type, label, and value. You can add multiple tax number tabs. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. To add a new payment method, click on the Add Payment Method button. In the form, enter the payment method name, bank account details, and then add a label and value. You can add multiple labels and values as needed to capture all necessary payment details. Once all required information is entered, click the Save button to store the payment method successfully. You can edit or delete any payment method by clicking the edit or delete icons next to the respective entry. To access tax settings, go to Settings from the sidebar and select Tax Settings. Click Add Tax to create a new tax. Enter the tax name, egg, service tax, and the rate as a percentage. Click Save when done. Use the Action button to edit or delete asset types. That's how easily you can manage tax settings in BizAIO.